Okay, hey guys, it's Jack Rocks 101 FUL here and Dirt Boy, right?
Yeah, Dirt Boy 0.
We're doing a scooter video on how to switch your tires, bearings, and yeah. So far we've gotten the Ultra Pro all set up, took off the tire, and we just got the Pro model taken off right there. This is Dirt Boy's Josh, my friend.
And then we're also going to do the back wheels.
Yeah.
And we're not just doing the front wheels if you're curious.
So let's get started. So
what you do?
I'm switching my stock tire with his Pro model tire that he bought.
And what you do is you take this Allen wrench.
Or a flathead screwdriver.
Yes. You want to use a flathead mostly. Try to pop it out. And usually if that doesn't work, try to do this. Usually if your bearings are really good and they're like really slippery, they'll pop out like easily.
I'll go get a screwdriver. Okay. So we're going to come over here to the toolbox, get a screwdriver. Let's see. Flathead that work. Okay. Let's go. There goes one bearing.
Then you got the spacer.
So
You
I
want
want
to
to
put
keep
those
that.
aside because I'm giving my friend a
Two new bearings.
4 new bearings.
Yeah, 4 whatever.
2 for the front and 2 in the back.
Pop it out with the screwdriver. Watch out. Which one's that? Just keep on popping out.
Jesus Christ. Okay, sometimes my freaking bearings would be pretty hard to do.
Because they're really tight in there.
Yeah, they're really tight in there.
Okay, so we got
this wheel, and we got this wheel.
the stock Ultra Pro and then regular. Like,
Regular
stock.
And then I bought this one.
Yeah.
So, pretty good wheels.
Both are
Okay, so what we're going to do, since now, I'm pretty stupid now. So, what you do is you take your bearing right here.
Slap it on in. Slam it on the
Go
ground.
like this. Should pop in easily.
And then put your spacer.
Put your spacer and make sure it's facing up.
And
then this one you don't want to really take a screwdriver end like this part. Just go like this. So that way your bearing doesn't fall over inside.
And then you want to you see how the spacer right there is
perfectly in the
yeah.
middle?
You want to make sure that. So then you can put the screw
like this pretty easily.
Okay, let's do this. See, the screw is right there, and now it's in.
So I'll go like this.
Get your screw.
Put it in like this. And take this.
Oh, wait, yeah, that one.
Wait, no, not that one.
This one, right?
This one.
Oh.
And then you want to go like
Sorry,
this.
we got a little bored, so we have music playing.
Having some trouble here. You want to hand me that Allen wrench?
This one, thanks. Okay. And this.
And then you want to do this.
So see how he has this one right here just holding it, and then this one's he's screwing in the Allen wrench. You want to make sure you have an Allen wrench that actually fits the thing, and if you don't, it will screw up the I don't know what you would call it.
And make sure it's really tight, because some of these
sometimes
fall
they come out
like when you're skating. So
yeah.
So
See
there
how
you go.
Okay, so we have this one right here. We have the first that he bought, and then we have the back Ultra Pro stock.
And then we're going to take that one off.
We're going to have the stock,
my Pro model.
his Pro model, and put my stock on.
And then we're going to go like this. Here, hand me those 2 Allen wrenches. Things are working pretty good on this one.
Where the hell did that go? Oh, there it is.
See, mine's almost unscrewed, so...
Because you want to make them really tight, and he clearly didn't make it that tight.
Yeah, so that's really bad. Sometimes
that could have fell off, and he really could have got hurt.
Yeah, like really bad. One almost did fall out when I was skating. And you even saw that.
Yeah, it was pretty
crazy.
You're like, oh crap.
I was like skating and then it just popped out and I was like, almost popped out.
Yeah, we're like, oh shit.
He noticed that it was like wiggling.
Yeah, I saw it wiggling. I'm like, dude, your tire's like all screwed up.
And then that pretty much like ruined our whole skating day.
Yeah.
So, and then we had to go back home. So, which is where we're at right now.
Yeah.
So we're pretty much like brothers.
Yeah. We're really good friends. And Josh has one older brother and one older sister, right? Or two. So he doesn't really see them. He's an uncle.
So yeah,
he has 2 nieces. So he's practically an only child.
Yeah, it's pretty much like never seen brother.
Yeah.
Sometimes,
and we love doing all this stuff together.
Yeah. And sometimes your back wheel would have trouble, so kind of just wiggle it out here.
Jeez, this
is really freaking annoying me right now. I don't know how the hell I did the last one.
You just pulled it out.
No, I meant my last time when I did this. Oh, I have to unscrew this. Oh, hell. I didn't know that. Damn it.
My girlfriend and, there's these two, my girlfriend, Michaela, she keeps on watching all my videos, and it's kind of embarrassing because they're really shitty. And, and then this girl that, sits next to me and, sits kind of in front of Josh, because Josh sits behind me in class. They were, over at, the girl, Summer, her name's Summer, who sits right next to me. They were over at her house, and they were watching my YouTube videos today. I'm like, screw this, I need to make better YouTube videos. So, we're just doing all this right now.
So we got 2 spacers this time, because for the back wheel, it's not like the front wheel, because...
It's a bigger wheel, you would say.
Almost that, but still, the back is kind of thicker, and then you look at the front,
it's really skinny compared to the back.
So you can tell. So we're going to put
those 2
aside,
spacers aside,
so we don't
lose them.
True. I'm going to take these stuff over here. Do the same
Grab
thing
the
here.
stock wheel.
And take that stock wheel and put it over here. And then we're going to just
take the
his
Ultra
back
Pro.
wheel.
While he does this, I'm going to show you some really cool things that I might go with him on a trip. Where'd they go? Oh, they're over here. Duh. I'm so stupid. They made their garage different. So, we might go on a trip on February for his church. They go every month to ride these babies. I'm going to use this one, 65. He's going to use his 150, and his dad's going to use his 450.
Pretty freaking big 150.
Yeah.
I can barely fit on it. So.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. I love this baby. This thing's awesome. He's a dick. Yeah, he does. He goes every month for his church. They go out to Oxbow Lake? You go to Oxbow Lake or something?
No, Oxtail Wells.
Oh, Oxtail Wells?
Yeah.
Okay, well these
really freaking confusing.
Well, these just slide out.
I've never seen this before.
Well, because they're the Ultra Pro, they just slide in. So, I think they're support or something, so they don't break off that easily.
So, if you have an Ultra Pro, this is going to be kind of confusing. I just figured this out because I've
Never done this on an Ultra Pro.
Never worked on an Ultra Pro before. Pretty excited though.
So, this is my Christmas present.
And he's pretty freaking good.
Yeah.
He's jealous.
But this is so worth $100. I mean, you guys should really go out and get a Razer Ultra Pro. I mean, it's
Don't
like
be
the
like
best.
me and be like a dumbass.
Yeah, get the stupid Pro model. I mean, all they did was like put like really foam handlebars and then get new wheels. That's all they did. But the stock wheels were crap. And then you see how this folds up and this like keeps on like shaking when you ride? With this, the Ultra Pro, they solved that. They soldered it all together so it doesn't shake at all. And it's extremely light compared to Josh's over here.
Which is pretty damn stupid.
Yeah.
Well, plus also the Ultra Pro never even came out when I bought mine. I should have waited.
Yeah.
Being me.
But by the time he bought this, they said they were gonna release it. They gave the release date. Stock tires.
Gonna put this on
right now.
So this is gonna be pretty difficult.
Well, why don't we clamp this one up?
Alright, yeah. So
we're gonna unclamp the Ultra Pro.
So since we put in.
How do you use this thing?
Okay,
It's like a gun. I don't want to shoot my foot.
what do you mean?
How do you like take this off? Do you just hold the button?
Yeah, hang on.
Shit, I've never used these things. What are you doing?
This is really confusing.
Those are the same, and these are the same.
Okay,
All
so
four of
don't
these are
get
the
your
same.
bearings confused with me. You have the same damn.
Yeah, these two are the same too.
So
Or that are the same.
hand me that wheel.
This has two more. Where are the other two for this?
What?
We have two. What? New ones. What? These right here? The spacers?
No, the
Tires? Bearings?
yeah, never mind.
Whatever.
I'm pretty confused right now.
Dude, where are the other two bearings?
They're
Oh shit.
oh, they're right there.
Oh, okay. I'm like, okay, I'll just put these in there too. I got
Damn it.
I guess Josh figured out that my Ultra Pro bearings are really crappy. So we're using Reeds. They're for
Pretty shitty bearings.
yeah. Same with his, they won't come out. We're using Reeds. These are for skateboards, but he just bought them for no stupid reason. But he uses them for a skateboard, so no wonder. Dude, you're bending them!
Ouch! My freaking nose.
He just shot himself with the bearing. Oh my god, I almost wet my pants because that was so hilarious. He bent the screwdriver.
Ow,
He bent the screwdriver.
That's so weird.
I don't think these bearings were meant for the scooter. So now we're gonna do what we did with this tire. Spasa. Oh, I love the smell of the gasoline.
Like I said, take the end of the screwdriver
And jam it in there. And the spacer should
Like
space
so.
up, but it didn't this time for some reason.
there.
Did it space up? Okay. That's
Yeah,
good.
so that's good. And I've never worked on an Ultra Pro, so this is going to be pretty confusing for me.
So that goes right there.
Oh,
I'll hold it
damn
in.
Band-Aid.
Yeah, some kid at our school, they were messing around with the stick and the kid pulled it back and cut his thumb open.
Like, literally.
A big
almost
gash.
Close, like, almost close to getting stitches. Like, no joke.
Yeah, it was kind of scary.
You kind of broke your, yeah, it's fine.
I mean, it's just a guard.
So careful with that. So I'm
Slip
gonna
that thing in.
ease this thing in.
So we don't want the... Oh, shit.
Some of these Ultra Pros are